Prepare to redefine your expectations of luxury SUVs. Forget what you thought you knew, because today we're diving headfirst into the future with the all-new 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC. From its sleek, commanding presence on the road to an interior that feels plucked from a sci-fi movie, the 2026 GLC isn't just a car, it's an experience. But is it the ultimate luxury SUV for you? We're about to uncover every exhilarating detail, from its groundbreaking design to its intelligent performance and the revolutionary technology that will leave you speechless. Let's start where first impressions are made: the exterior. The 2026 GLC takes Mercedes-Benz's sensual purity design philosophy and elevates it to new heights. Immediately, your eyes are drawn to that iconic, dominant grille, proudly displaying the three-pointed star. It's larger, more assertive, yet beautifully integrated, giving the GLC an undeniable road presence. The headlights are slimmer, more piercing, featuring advanced LED matrix technology that doesn't just illuminate the road, but acts as a signature element. Notice the intricate details within the housing. It's a testament to Mercedes-Benz's commitment to craftsmanship, even in the smallest elements. Moving to the side profile, the GLC maintains its athletic stance. The lines are fluid, yet purposeful, creating a sense of motion even when stationary. The subtly flared wheel arches accommodate those impressive, multi-spoke alloy wheels, which perfectly complement the vehicle's dynamic character. We're seeing a more sculpted and aerodynamic silhouette compared to its predecessor, hinting at improved efficiency and performance. And at the rear, the transformation is just as striking. The taillights are slender and wrap around the body, echoing the front headlight design. They feature intricate LED patterns that create a distinct light signature, making the GLC instantly recognizable, day or night. The integrated exhaust outlets, framed by chrome accents, add a touch of sporty sophistication without being overly aggressive. It's a cohesive design that speaks volumes about modern luxury. The overall impression is one of refined power and contemporary elegance. Mercedes-Benz has successfully evolved the GLC's design, making it look more dynamic, more sophisticated, and undoubtedly more desirable. Step inside the 2026 GLC, and you're not just entering a cabin, you're entering a digital sanctuary. This is where Mercedes-Benz truly flexes its technological muscles, blending opulent materials with cutting-edge innovation. The first thing that commands your attention is the sheer dominance of screens. Gone are most physical buttons, replaced by this magnificent, vertically oriented central infotainment display. Complementing that, we have a fully digital instrument cluster, also customizable, allowing you to prioritize information, whether it's navigation, driver assistance data, or classic gauges. Underneath that elegant exterior lies a powertrain designed to deliver both exhilarating performance and impressive efficiency. While specific engine configurations will vary by market, expect a range of highly refined options, likely including advanced mild hybrid technology as standard, and potentially plug-in hybrid variants offering significant electric-only range. The integration of mild hybrid systems provides an instant torque boost, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel economy by seamlessly assisting the combustion engine. This results in a driving experience that is both responsive and incredibly refined. Power delivery is linear and confident, whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the open highway. So, what's the verdict on the 2026 Mercedes-Benz GLC? It's more than just an update, it's a complete reimagining. Mercedes-Benz has taken an already successful formula and infused it with a forward-thinking design, a revolutionary digital interior, and a driving experience that balances comfort, performance, and cutting-edge technology. It's a vehicle that doesn't just meet the demands of modern luxury, it anticipates them. For those seeking an SUV that seamlessly blends elegance, intelligence, and a truly engaging drive, the 2026 GLC firmly positions itself as a top contender, setting new benchmarks in its class.